dental care in pregnancy, a very important topic to be discussed about. It can be discussed like before, during and after pregnancy. If you are planning to get pregnant, it is advised to see a dentist before you get pregnant because there are certain oral conditions like gum diseases which aggravate during the pregnancy because of the hormonal action. If you have any dental decay, please address them before the pregnancy because the decay progresses much faster in the pregnant ladies because of the difficulties in cleaning in the initial stages of pregnancy during the morning sickness. During pregnancy, if you have the dental problem, please visit your dentist. Pregnancy is not a contraindication for dental treatments. You need to visit the dentist, discuss about the problems, and you can have the care tips from the dentist. Once you see the dentist, tell the dentist that you are pregnant, discuss about the medications, the dosages, including the multivitamins you are taking, and any other medical advices your gynecologist has given you. This makes the dentist plan your treatment in a much easier way. During the pregnancy, it is advised not to proceed with any dental treatment during the first trimester, as that is the formative stage of the baby. And it should be made a note that as soon as the third month of intrauterine life, the child starts developing the tooth bud. So it is important to note the medications you use. A drug called tetracycline is contraindicated, should not be taken by the pregnant mother as it would cause the teeth strain in the child. Next thing, what is a safe period to take the dental treatment during pregnancy? Second trimester, that is from 3rd to 6th month. You can take any emergency treatments under the gynecologist advice with the dentist care. Okay, any elective procedures should be postponed until after the delivery. In the 3rd trimester, even though you could respond well for the treatments, dental treatments are usually avoided because of the size and the postural difficulties. So if you experience some sort of problems during pregnancy, please address them and take the necessary precautions so that they don't aggravate. Then the tips I would give for the pregnant ladies. Number 1, good oral hygiene practice. Brushing twice a day, flossing, using mouth rinse would keep you away from the gum problems. But if you have a gum problem, if it is getting aggravated, see the dentist anytime during the pregnancy to have the good advice. Second thing is during the morning sickness, you may not be so good to take the oral hygiene practices and the brushing would become difficult. Ask your dentist to suggest you a bland tasting toothpaste, which should be fine with you. Sometimes you will have a gag reflex, so use a small sized toothbrush. The head should be smaller in size so that it doesn't irritate the molar region. Usually the last teeth, when you are brushing, you would have the gag reflex. The next thing, take care of what you eat. Usually pregnant women crave for sugary foods, so try to cut down them, as that would aggravate the tooth decay problem. And these are a few simple steps that a pregnant lady can take care. And after the delivery, please see the dentist if you have a gum disease or any other problem you have developed during pregnancy to get it treated. Thank you.